Hello everyone, I am reviewing the ZeboZap full motion outdoor TV mount. First, the no drill design is a huge win. I didn't have to damage any wood or metal posts. The heavy duty straps and stainless steel buckles secured it firmly. It supports TVs between 19 and 50 and up to 66 pounds, which fits my outdoor set perfectly. The full motion flexibility is awesome. I can rotate the TV 360 degrees, tilt and swivel it so guests seated all around the patio get a good view. The weatherproofing holds up. The steel frame is powder coated and resists rust, and the straps are UV resistant. After some rain and humidity, no signs of corrosion or looseness. That said, in strong winds, I check the straps occasionally. Also, while it's snug on most posts, very irregular pillar shapes or overly broad posts might require extra care to align correctly. Overall, this mount lets me take my outdoor entertainment setup seriously, no drilling. Solid support, full motion, and built to handle outdoor conditions. If you want to mount a TV outside without messing with your structure, this ZeboZap mount is a brilliant pick. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.